another video. So if you are new to my channel, this is my Kimka and I hope you all are doing great. So this video is going to be super informative and helpful, so make sure you watch till the end. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do it now cause it's absolutely free. And in this video, I am going to be telling you about the alternatives of makeup product. So if you are running out of any makeup product, you always have an alternative of that. So if you want to know them, you are at the right place. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Also in the last, I am going to be telling you something about my next YouTube video. So अंत तक देख लेना, skip करके उड़ा मत देना वीडियो को. Starting off with the first thing, that is primer.
Nice.
So starting off with the first thing, that is primer. So many girls skip this step cause primers are literally damn expensive, but it's damn important for your skin. So don't skip this step. I have two best alternatives for you guys. The first one is ice cube. Yes, you heard it right. Ice cube. So you can rub ice cube all over your face before applying makeup. It works as what? It works as primer and it also helps to make your skin look smooth. Even I use ice cube as primer most of this time, so it's the best alternative I have came across. You can also try that. The second alternative is aloe vera gel. You can go for Patanjali aloe vera gel. Now I am using this Ayurvedic, what is this? Pure aloe vera gel cause my Patanjali aloe vera gel is over, so now I am using this. But most of the time I go for ice cube. And yeah, these are the both alternatives for primers. So yes, you can try any of them. The second thing is concealer. So basically concealer is used to hide your dark circles, acne spots or dark spots, all of that stuff. So I have three alternatives for that. The first one is full coverage foundation cream. So you can use Fit Me foundation as a concealer to hide your dark spots and all of that stuff. This foundation cream is basically used for a makeup base, but if you don't have much acne spots or dark circles, then you can use this as a concealer as well. So yeah, that's a good option, 2-in-1 option. The second alternative for concealer is this Pond's ka BB cream. I use this on a daily basis. Like I use this for my makeup base, concealer, both of the thing. So if you don't have this, you should definitely buy this. Like I recommend you from my side, 110% you should buy this. And yeah, the full form of BB cream is, BB cream का full form क्या है?
What the fuck?
Yeah, BB cream is blemish balm. So yeah, you can try this. The third alternative for concealer is this CC cream, which is complexion care cream. You can use this as an alternative for concealer. Even concealer are a little bit expensive, so yes, you can try these options. The third thing is eyeshadow. So I have literally so many options for your eyeshadow. Like if you are running out of your eyeshadow color or if you don't have an eyeshadow palette, don't worry girl, I have a solution for you. Like so many solution for you. I am sure you must be having any one of this products. So yes, you can use as an alternative for eyeshadow. The first thing is blush. So I'll show you on my hand. I'm not doing on my eyes because I have already applied eyeshadow. So yeah. So I'm using this red color ka blush. So you can use this as a red eyeshadow. And also it will work perfectly for your eyeshadow. Like I have applied and tried. So you can also try that. The second thing you can use is lipstick. So yeah, you can also use lipstick as an eyeshadow, cause just apply spots on your eyes and just rub it with your finger or with the eyeshadow brush, and yeah, you are good to go. The third thing you can use is eyeliner pencil. So yeah, you just need to draw a line, like color it and just smudge it with your finger or as usual with your brush. And the fourth thing you can use is lip liner pencil. You can also use this as a eyeshadow. Just I'll show you this one. See. So these are the four options you can use as an alternative for your eyeshadow. The first one is blush, lipstick, lip liner, and eyeliner. Eyeliner, pencil eyeliner. So yeah, these are the four options. So the next thing is eyeliner. So eyeliner is used above the eyes to line your eyes. And yeah, you have three alternatives for eyeliner. So the first thing you can use as an eyeliner is kajal pencil. So to be honest, I had used kajal as an eyeliner since the day I started doing makeup, cause to be honest, I don't know how to apply eyeliner, but now I have learned, so I apply eyeliner as an eyeliner. But I used to apply kajal as an eyeliner. So yeah, that's the best option you can do. The second thing you can use as an eyeliner is lip liner. So the benefit of using lip liner as an eyeliner is you can use any color. Like eyeliner comes under specific colors like 10, 12, 20 colors, like specific, I don't know. But you can use any color lip liner and apply it on your eyes and you can get a colorful eyes. The third thing you can use as an eyeliner is eyeshadow. Yes, you heard me right. So you can dip a pointed brush on your eyeshadow and apply it as an eyeliner and wink it. It will give you a natural, amazing look. So yeah, you can try that. The next thing is mascara. So now there are two alternatives for mascara. The first one is eyeliner. So let me explain how you can use eyeliner as a mascara, cause it sounds weird. So take a spare mascara wand and take an eyeliner. Just dip this wand into eyeliner and apply it as a mascara. It works properly. Also, you can use colorful eyeliner and dip this wand into that and make your eyelashes look more different. The next thing you can use as a mascara is Vaseline. So yeah, you can dip your wand into Vaseline and apply it as a mascara, cause it helps to lift your eyelashes perfectly, and also you know the benefits of Vaseline. So the second last thing and my favorite thing is highlighter. So there are two alternatives for highlighter. So you can use a lip balm, like a shiny lip balm, and use it as a highlighter. It works properly and this is my favorite thing to do. The second thing you can use is take a Vaseline and take a Vaseline and mix colorful or glittery eyeshadow in it and just apply it as a highlighter. It looks so amazing, like so amazing. Wait. Look. You can use this as a highlighter. See. Oh god, ज़्यादा ही अच्छा हो गया. So yeah, you can use Vaseline and mix eyeshadow into it and use it as a highlighter. Like this is the best alternative I have came across and you should definitely try this. So the next thing is blush. So now blush is used over your cheeks. So there are three alternatives for blush. The first one is you can go for this tinted lip balm, like colorful lip balm. It gives you shiny look. So this is the best alternative for blush. And the second thing you can use is lipstick as usual. Just tap it and spread it with your brush, makeup brush, or maybe with your finger. And the third thing you can use as a blush is eyeshadow. Like I said, you can use blush as an eyeshadow and eyeshadow as a blush both. So yeah, these three are the best options for your blush. So that was it for my today's video. If you're watching till now, thank you so much. And as you know, I upload new video every Friday. But I am going to release one more video in this week, like on Tuesday or Monday maybe. I'll update that on my Instagram, so follow me there. So I'll be uploading a get ready with me video wherein I will be using all the makeup alternative products. Like I will not use the actual product. I will use all the product that I have mentioned in today's video that you can use as an alternative. So I will be using that and doing my makeup. So if you want that video, please subscribe to my channel so you will be notified. So that was it for my today's video. Like this video, comment down below and let me know your views. Share it with anybody you want to share and subscribe and see you in next video. Bye.